as you can hear. It's got a special exhaust, very, I keep saying muscly, but it is really a muscly car. This is a Brute. This one, it's a HSV GTS, obviously. It's got an upgrade supercharged engine by Harrop, and it's got 402, I believe, rear wheel kilowatts, which is nearly 600 kilowatts at the flywheel. So very powerful. Got a lot of upgrade things. Alcantara wheel, Series 2 wheels, Series 2 vented bonnet. It's been wrapped, it's actually a black car, but it's been wrapped in this some sort of metallic grey flat thing. It's a really good job. It would have cost a fortune. So, and it's basically a daily driver. So very muscly, everyday HSV car with Harrop stuff on it, which Harrop is great product. So it's got a 575, which is its kilowatts, and it's got Harrop badges. This basalt grey wrap was done by Eye Candy Motorsport in Melbourne, so it's a pretty impressive car. Like, it's very, very neat and tidy, and seriously full of muscle.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.